Just a quick explanation, but I bought a lot of things and I unboxed them and I decided to combine everything into one to make a video out of it. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome guys. So we're going to do a bunch of unboxings and we'll start with this Logitech 305. My current mouse is the Logitech 203, so it's basically the same mouse, just wireless. So let's get this thing open, right? Geez, this is one-handed stuff. Oh, I think. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I have it open. So, let's see. So, this is the mouse. And let's see. We have the mouse itself and we have a battery. Yay!
Yeah, my brother was screaming in the background, so let's go over what there is because I for some reason did it. We have a guide, we have a cable for extension, a manual, a thank you note, and a sticker, and most importantly, we actually get a battery. Let's go! Yeah, and the mouse itself is there too.
Oh my god. I'm so bad. Oh, damn. Okay, let's do a real quick comparison.
Okay, yeah, that was part one. I'm sorry that you had to sit through that. I just got a new mouse. It's really cool. It's an upgrade from the old one. It's wireless. Let's move on to the next one.
And now I'll just be doing this. Don't particularly care about this. Look, it works with. Oh, I have a full 1 year of warranty. Would you look at that? Full up. Guys, it's for gamers by gamers. Would you look at that? Stuff that I don't care about. Ah. Oh, please. That's the mic. That's the mic stand. Now there is an extension cable. Ooh, that's a cool cable. Thingy. Look, it's a thingy. Okay. It's a tiny butt plug. I'm just. It looks more like a capsule. All of my fingerprints. No garbage. How do I? What is this? What is it? Oh, I get it, guys. God damn it! Oh, this is like metal. Damn. They went fancy on this. Ah, this is actually pretty. Would you look at that? So you take the thing, and you take the thing. I think I did it wrong. And you take the thing. Oh yeah, I got it right, guys. Don't worry. And you take the thing. Oh, jeez. I think that's the light that says it, so never mind. I thought it was a scratch. That is it. I have a new mic. I'm just. I'll sort stuff out. Yeah.
And that is how the mic looks and sounds in my new setup. So yeah, I actually really enjoy this mic. It's really good. It's much better than my old one. So yeah, and it looks pretty cool too. Okay, so this is the part where I actually got a something to hold my phone where my mic is. So I have actually something to hold my phone, so I finally have a top-down view. I got a ratchet, and that's it, like a ratchet screwdriver. You can hear it now. It works pretty well. I actually really like it. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just testing it out. I got another ratchet. That's a 90-degree one. It works less good than the previous one, but it gets the work done. Next up is a SSD. This is one 28 gig SSD. The purpose is either for a PC that I'm replacing a hard drive with an SSD, so I'll have something that can just have an OS on it, so that's easier. So I'll just have something to house that. And another thing that I have here is a adapter from NVMe to 10 gigabit USB-C. So I generally use that to help a friend out with him installing a new SSD for his PC because he needed an upgrade from a 250 drive to a 500 drive. So I helped him with that, and basically I just took it. I got it myself and didn't let him order it because I thought that I might actually get more use in this kind of product than him. So yeah, I ordered that for myself and it works fine. I finally got the screen. I really struggled with that. Next up is a 2.5 inch hard drive, no 2.5 inch drive enclosure. I got that just because well, with the new SSDs that I got and the bunch of hard drives that I already have for storage, I only have one. Yeah, so I only have one that is actual like an hard drive enclosure. So with all of the drives that I have already 3 of them. Getting another one isn't that bad. It's actually really good for me. So yeah, I'm just testing it out with the new SSD, seeing if everything works. I'm just placing it in, making sure everything's fine, and then I'll plug it into the computer. Yeah, so everything worked fine. I have some utilities in a lot of stuff I did. Some of them are kind of useless, but it is fun to get new things. So I thought I'd share it with you guys, and yeah, so that's all there is to it. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.